Hey everybody, how are you? We are halfway through LGBTQ+ Pride Month. Where's the time gone? It's been so busy with things going on, and it was a very busy weekend. There's a highlight reel right after this I want you to look at of Midsommar Fest, which I know a lot of you are not in the Chicago area, and some of you are, but Andersonville is just a neighborhood a little bit north of me. So yeah, Midsommar Fest, we kind of call that the kickoff for the summer, and it was great. I watched this tribute band, and you're going to see this at the end. I can't have the vocals in it, though. I can't have the music because I'll get in trouble, you know, posting copyrighted stuff. But it was a tribute band for the B-52s called Planet Claire. It was awesome. They performed Saturday, like early evening-ish. Watched them, and they dressed up just like the B-52. I love them. It was like my first time hearing them. I guess I'm late to the party, but it was wonderful. And I'll put their URL right here for you to check them out. I think they're only on Facebook. I'm not sure, but here you go. Yeah, but that's what's going on. I ran into my friend David Collins. He is an author and a friend of mine, and gave me this, Single and Cooking Book 2. So David, little promo for you. And I got the book because I been asked a couple of times to read the manuscript of his book before it comes out. And I am what is known as a tribute character in this book, and the tribute character's name is Baird. So if you're reading this, yep, that's my name in there. It's also in another book, and it might be the first one or another one before that. It might be his other series that he did. But very honored by that. Very just like nice little thank you in the front too for doing that. I'm just looking at this right now. I pulled this off my wall in my bathroom. I bought this in Palm Springs several years ago. Do you see this? Yeah, the nose is like, hello. It's a Kleenex dispenser, and I have to go buy Kleenex for it today because I ran out. I love this. I think it's so quirky, but it's on my wall. Yeah, if you want Kleenex, you pull it out through his nose. Isn't that hilarious? It's like one of the Tiki God things. But yeah. Oh, my life. It's so exciting, isn't it? Got to run the post office. Got a seasoning order to ship out today, way up in the UP of Michigan. A few things going on, lecture programs, a couple this week. Had a delightful time last night with my friends Julian and Mariana. I call Julian Amore. They used to be neighbors of my friend Rob, and we've been friends for like 6-7 years now. But we went out to their new place out in the burbs, just near O'Hare Airport. And man, we ate like kings and had some wine and saw their new place and laughed and reminisced and saw their wedding videos and pictures, which were fabulous. Had some great food, talked cooking. I took jam and seasoning out there. Rob took his candles. So wonderful time. So we're going to get together and bake and cook and all sorts of other stuff in August again. So that'll be great seeing them. That's all I got, folks. That's all I got. Hope you're well. A lot of stuff going on this coming weekend if you're in Chicago. It's Chicago Pride Fest weekend. Weekend after that on a Sunday is the Chicago Pride Parade. So it's pretty booked up, honey. And then July, look out. I'll be in, of course, Saugatuck Douglas for a couple weekends, and my favorite, you know, the Christmas in July. So subscribe, like, and share. Enjoy the reel after this from Midsommar Fest and the pictures, and I will see you on Thursday. Have a beautiful day. It's gorgeous here. I got to get out. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.